Hi, welcome back. So aside from limiting record access through organization-wide defaults, there is also a need for administrators to limit the fields that a user can see in a particular record. In Salesforce, we can do just that by setting the field level security of our objects for the different profiles on our system. By setting the field level security, we can specify which fields are visible, which are read-only, and which is required based on record type or profile. So in any organization, there would always be a need to protect sensitive information while still giving access to a record. Using field level security, we could just do that and restrict certain profiles from seeing or being able to edit certain fields in a record. So from our example, we would like to set the field level security for two fields in the accounts object. In our example, both the account revenue and account number fields will be hidden for both standard platform and standard users. So there are several ways you can set the field level security for a field. But one of the fastest ways to do so is to access the field directly and modify the field level security from the field detail page. So to start off, let's just go to the setup menu, go to customize, and go to the particular object, which is accounts, and click on field. So here we can see the account number field. Let's click on the account number field. Let's click on set field level security to edit the field level security for this field account number. So on this page, we can specify whether this field is visible for each profile. So for our organization, let's uncheck the visible checkbox for the profile standard platform user and standard user. So this enables this field for any user under that particular profile. So let's click on save to finalize our change. So aside from accessing the field level security directly from the field, we can also set it from the security control section of the administer subsection. Let's just go to administer. Go to security controls before finally going to field accessibility. So here, let's just select the object we want to set the field accessibility to. Let's click account. So from the screen, there are different ways to view the field level security of an object. First, we can view the FLS per field. So to do that, let's select view by fields. Then we want to see the field level security. So from this view, we can view a matrix of the different settings based on the profile and the record type for the account. Also, we can view the field level security by profiles. So let's select view by profiles and select a particular profile. So for example, let's select standard platform user. So from this view, we can get a bird's eye view of the field level security for this profile and all the fields under the account object. And then the rows are the fields, and which the column headers being the different record types for account. So lastly, we can also view field level security by record type. Select view by record types, then select the record type master. So in this view, similar to the other views, we are shown a matrix of field level security settings for the objects, with the rows being the fields, and the columns being the different profiles for the system. So let's get started. Choose view by fields and select our field, annual revenue. Next, let's select the cell that is the intersection of the standard platform user and the master record type. So just so you know, the standard platform user is any user that is not using the sales or service cloud licenses. So let's just click on that. So on the next screen, we can change the visibility of the field for the profile, as well as its visibility on the page layout. So first, let's uncheck the visibility of account number for the standard platform user profile. Next, uncheck the visibility of the field on the page layout as well. Check that. Let's click on save to finalize our changes. So that's it. We have just modified the field level security for both annual revenue and account number. So aside from restricting field access from the Salesforce web interface, field level security also restricts access to fields in external applications like Salesforce Data Loader, external web services, and the Salesforce API as well. So this proves the importance of knowing how to configure field level security for the different objects within your organization. So in the next video, we will be discussing how to ensure data quality using validation rules in Salesforce.